Hi, I'm Candace and welcome to the Style Climber, a place for fashion, style, and all of the in-betweens. In today's video, I'm going to show you several fabulous ways you can wear your blazer this season. Thanks so much for joining me. Now let me tell you, I'm a sucker for blazers. I love them. I think they're just so chic and they really complete an outfit. So what I'm gonna do is show you several different ways that you can wear your blazer this season. And we're gonna start off with this first look right here, what I'm wearing. First, we're gonna start with this blazer. We're gonna use black for this video. So I have here a gorgeous, I love this blazer. It's one of my favorite blazers, let me just say that. It's an H&M Blazer. I really love this blazer because I'm able to kind of like zhuzh up the sleeves a bit, just to give it a little more style. I love the broad shoulders that it gives, and also the way the single button kind of cinches in the waist. So it gives me a nice shape, a nice waistline, while still accentuating my figure. And I just love the fit. It's a nice soft material. It's easy to wear, and I really try to wear with everything when the weather permits. So here I'm wearing it with a gorgeous, I would say it's gorgeous. It's nicely fitted. Let me see if I could unbutton it so you could see. It's a nicely fitted J.Crew denim. I guess you could say it's denim because of the look of it. It's kind of like soft, I would say. A nice soft material for denim, nice loosely fit. And I bought this last season and I've been wearing it as soon as fall started. I started to wear it and it's just nice and soft. So the look would be a denim on denim look. So definitely a nice denim shirt, and then of course your favorite denim jeans, and pairing it with a black blazer, cinched in of course. I think it's just chic. I added my YSL pin, but of course you can pair any pin that you like, or you don't even have to wear a pin if you don't want to. But I think it just kind of pulls the look together. Zhuzh up the sleeves if you can, and of course add a nice heel. It doesn't have to be a high heel, but a preferably comfortable heel size. And I think putting the look together is just fabulous, okay? Very casual, chic look. And I'm pairing it here with a nice vintage bag, just a small little bag to carry little incidentals. I think it just brings the look together with the black blazer and the gold heels, the gold wedges. These are Tory Burch wedges. Just nice classic colors together and an easy vibe. You know, you can go anywhere with this look. You can go to lunch, you can go run errands with this, you could go to the grocery store, you can hang out with friends with this look. It's just a very easy casual look. Even if like on a casual Friday in the office is a good pairing, but I think bringing a denim on denim with a black into it, a nice feminine fit of the blazer, it's a great way to style your blazer this season. The next way you can style your blazer this season is by wearing lace, a lace dress. Here you'll see I have this gorgeous navy blue lace dress. This is a vintage dress that I scored at a Salvation Army a few years back. I love this dress. It's just the material, the way the fabric is made. It's just very classy, very chic, very feminine look. And if you don't already know, navy blue is in season. Of course, fall, you know, bring out all the fall colors. But I think this is a nice way to bring in that trend by pairing it with a black blazer. So tying in the black blazer with the beautiful flouncy lace dress, or if you have a lace skirt, that's even good. That's even a good option as well. Having the pin accentuate with the gold heels as well. It's a nice way to pull everything together. And pairing blue and navy together, and pairing black and navy together, it's a nice little twist, you know, of a color combination together. I think it's chic. And I love the way this dress moves. It's nice and flowy, just feminine and gorgeous. What a great fit. This is something that I can wear to a nice evening event because the dress is very flirty yet classy looking. So it's definitely something to wear in the evening, or if you dare, you can even bring out lace to other events if you so choose, maybe even work, but I think this is more appropriate for a nice dinner or a nice evening event. Just a great look, very chic. And again, these two color combinations, I think just works so perfectly together. Next up is a pop of color with the black blazer. Oh my gosh, I'm not ready yet to get rid of summer, so I thought, why not bring in a pop of color with the blazer? So you have here, of course, the black H&M blazer, and I'm tying it here with a nice crinkled up Target skirt. I love this fit. The material is very light, of course, because it is summer season wear, but the pop of color, I think it's just really classy, chic. I love the fact that the material is kind of crinkly, so it kind of gives a nice a different look to pairing up the blazer, because the blazer is obviously very form-fitting, very formal, official attire. So pairing it with a nice pop of color pink, I think it kind of makes it a bit more flirty, a bit more fun, and finishing it off with leopard heels. It's just so cute. I think it's very cute to tie in these little fall trends with the pop of color. And I also added a red back to it to kind of cinch in the look. So it's not too many trends going on, but it works just enough to tie this look together, and it's nice and playful. I think this is just so cute. Again, this is another outfit that you can wear in the evening time, just to have a little fun and not to let go of summer just yet. And even in holiday season, this will be something great to wear as well. Give that pop of color pink with the pop of color red, and then bring it down to a little bit of a subdued look with the leopard heels. I think it just perfectly ties all well together. Next up is another playful way to wear your blazer by pairing it with cargo pants. Oh my gosh, this is just so easy. So it gives a nice juxtaposition of, you have the form-fitting blazer at the top, and then, a nice funky style of the cargo pants at the bottom. I paired it with my leopard heels again, just to bring in the fall colors of this look here. I think it's just so cute with the pointy toe. So you still get a bit of sophistication with the blazer and the shoes, and then a playfulness with the cargo pants. The cargo pants are from Target. I've had them for a couple of years now. They're nice, they're loose, the color is just perfect for fall, I feel, and I think it just looks really chic together. You look like you got a little bit of style when you wear it. This is definitely something you could wear to hang out with your friends, or even to work if you so feel. It's just a really nice casual look. I think it's just perfect together. Really love the fact that the blazer again is a nice cinched in waist blazer, and then the pants have a little bit of a room in them, so it gives a nice pairing together. So you have the fitted at the top and slightly loose at the bottom for a natural perfect fit. It's just easy. You can't go wrong with this look. You should definitely try it. Next up is wearing a nice silk skirt with a blazer. Here I have this gorgeous pop of color as well, but we're focusing more on the material of the skirt. It's a silk skirt from J.Crew. It's just beautiful. I love the way this look turned out, finishing it off with, of course, leopard heels and a Coach brown bag to tie the colors together. I think this is a nice chic look for the office. Any day of the week you're in the office, it's just a wonderful pairing together. I love the fact that the skirt is nice and feminine, so it moves easily, has a nice flow to it. It's very sophisticated, and then of course you bring in the formal blazer, the fitted blazer here, so you have the blazer that's not really moving as much, but then when you walk you have the swaying of the skirt, so it's a nice play on each other. Just a really great classy look, and of course another great way to incorporate a pop of color into the fall season. Another another blue. You see that I'm incorporating here, because obviously that's a great fall color to have in your wardrobe. Just a great, easy, classic look that can be worn anywhere. So even in the evening, if you have like a networking event or something like that, or you're going to a dinner or anything little that involves a little bit more chicness to it, this is a great look to put together while you still look comfortable, while you still feel comfortable, but you look chic and classy. Now here we have a classic color pairing together. What I'm doing here is, of course, using the black blazer again, and I'm tying it in with nice white or off-white, I would say, off-white wide leg pants or palazzo pants, however you want to term them. I think this is a great look, very easy, chic, casual, finishing it off with the classic leopard, and I think it just ties the look together. This is something that you can wear literally year round if you so choose, you know what I mean? Because the colors are classic, so it never really goes out of style. So again, we're using the form fit of the blazer that cinches the waist, gives you broad shoulders, and then you have the wide leg pants. So as you move, the pants move, and the top stays fitted, so it's a nice play on each other again. It's always nice to get movement in your clothes when you can, and this is just a great way to do that. Of course, you can wear this with any kind of heel, a kitten heel or a higher heel, and if you so choose, a flat would look nice with this. Pairing it with a nice black flat, or even an off-white shoe would work well together. But just a nice, easy look for some of us that are not ready to get rid of our white yet. This is a great way to incorporate it, because the black would definitely tone down the white and just make it look very put together, very classy, and again, of course, comfortable and chic. I always aim for that. First and foremost, comfort, and then looking chic. And then last but certainly not least is, of course, wearing pleats with a fitted blazer. Here I have this beautiful, playful H&M pleated skirt. Oh, I think it's just so cute. I love the off-white color of it. I think it's like a nude/cream color. Pairing it with the fitted form of the blazer again gives a nice play. Again, the material is moving and you look chic, you look comfortable. You don't look like you try too hard, but you still look put together, and it's just an easy look, another look that you can wear year round, because again, the colors are classic colors that you can wear. Just an easy look, really and truly. You can wear this to work, you can wear this out to dinner, you can wear it on date night, you can wear it to a social event. It's just a very nice, classy and simple look, and you'll always look put together. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it gave you some great ideas on how you can wear your blazer this season, particularly a black blazer. I think that's something that you always need in your closet, because it always tends to tie a look together. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.